mattina mi sono alzato, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'invasor, un partigiano, portami via, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. Partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire. Se io muoio da partigiano, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. E se io muoio da partigiano, tu mi devi seppellir.
The difference between rationalization and conjugate is that in rationalization we were dealing with just a number as our denominator. But in conjugate, it is called conjugate of a binomial sum. Binomial in this case means two numbers as our denominator. And in our first question, we were told to find the conjugate of 2 all over 3 plus root 5. The only thing that is needed in this case is that the sign in the denominator is changed. If it is addition, you change it to subtraction. If it is subtraction, you change it to addition. And you now use that new sign to multiply the numerator and the denominator. In this case, our denominator is 3 plus root 5. Now, to find the conjugate, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3 minus root 5. That gives us 2 times 3 minus root 5 times 3 plus root 5 all over 3 plus root 5 times 3 minus root 5. The reason for changing the sign is for the square root sign in the denominator to be eliminated. Now, if we expand the brackets using our knowledge of expansion of bracket, 2 times 3 gives us 6. 2 times minus 5 gives us minus 2 root 5. Now, to do the expansion of the brackets, we could do normal expansion of brackets, which would give us 9, that's 3 times 3, minus 3 root 5, plus 3 root 5, minus 5. Now, that minus 3 root 5 and plus 3 root 5 will cancel each other out. But then, there is a shortcut for doing the expansion in a way that totally eliminates the square root sign. And this is how to go about it. 3 times 3 gives us 9. Plus times minus gives us minus. Root 5 times root 5 gives us 5. Invariably, we are back to this stage, without having to go through the stress of removing the square root sign. But ideally, it is expected that we remove these square root signs before we get to this level of 9 minus 5. Let me take it again. 3 times 3 gives us 9. Plus times minus gives us minus. Root 5 times root 5 gives us 5. And that solves it. Everything I did after here is just reducing the fraction to its lowest term. Some questions will not leave their answers in this form. They will expect you to come down to this level. And this is the mathematically accepted standard for solving fractions. The second question says 3 plus 2 root 6 divided by 2 plus 4 root 5. The procedure is still the same, just that we have a bigger bracket, or we have 2 bigger brackets to expand than we had in the first question. So we multiply by 2 minus 4 root 5 at both the denominator and the numerator. So expanding the bracket here, we have 3 times 2 to give us 6. Please note the motion of the arrows. 3 times minus 4 root 5 to give us minus 12 root 5. Plus 2 root 6 times 2 gives us plus 4 root 6. Then plus 2 root 6 times minus 4 root 5 gives us minus 8 root 30. I could also use my shortcut method to get the denominator without having to go through the removal of square root signs. For instance, look at it. 2 times 2 gives me 4. Plus times minus gives me minus. root 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5 gives me 4 times 4 times 5. That invariably gives me 4 minus 16 times 5, 80, which is minus 76, which is what I have here. But by expansion of brackets, all I've got to do is 2 times 2, 4, 2 times minus 4 root 5, minus 8 root 5, plus 4 root 5 times 2, that's plus 8 root 5, then plus 4 root 5 times minus 4 root 5 gives me minus 16 times 5. And then I will still come back to the minus 76. Please, if there are questions or suggestions, you can please leave them as comments under this video. They will be duly appreciated and swiftly responded to.